Did you know that Microsoft and Wakelet have teamed up to bring you the power of Immersive Reader right within Wakelet? That means that anytime you see text in Wakelet, you'll also see this little symbol here. And that opens the magical thing called Immersive Reader. It's Microsoft technology that gives you a reader.
We know that as we start to share our 10 ideas in this webinar,
you can change so many things about that. You can change it to a male voice, and you can increase the speed.
Webinar. Your brain will start popping with all kinds of new ideas.
You can, in these three icons up here, you can change things like the text size to make it more accessible. You could then change the spacing. You could even change the font or the background color. You also have the options to break words into syllables or not, and to highlight different parts of speech. And lastly, in this icon over here, you can turn on a line focus reader that would let you focus on different lines, 1, 3, or 5 lines at a time. There's also something called a picture dictionary that lets you click on words and sometimes see a picture representation, but I wanted to make sure that I showed that it also has a built-in translator for all of these languages. I'll pick Spanish, I will translate the whole document, and all of a sudden it will read that
sabemos que a medida que comencemos a compartir nuestras 10 ideas
document to us in Spanish or any of those languages. That's Immersive Reader, and you can find it in Wakelet.